Guys, want a quick, easy, budget-friendly meatloaf? I have one for you. It's simple and easy. So I always buy the Lipton onion soup beef mix from my local Walmart. You can get it anywhere. Buy the 2 pounds ground beef. Follow the recipe on the back of it, just like I did. The only thing that you want to swap out if you're low carb or keto is instead of using breadcrumbs, I have 2 options you can do, or you can do both. So the first option would be to just swap out your breadcrumbs for either pork rinds. I find that the regular pork rinds, when I ground them up and put them in there, was a little bit mushy, so you may want to add Parmesan cheese. So if you don't want to do breadcrumbs or you don't want to do the pork rinds, just use Parmesan cheese. That works amazing because the cheese gets melty and it combines the meatloaf just the same as if breadcrumbs do. If you ask me, I think it keeps it more moisture. The other thing that you can try, you could do one or the other or both, is I get these keto breadcrumb. It's called, so it's, I just get it at my local Walmart. This is actually Italian seasoning. I use this when I make my chicken parmesan and I want to put a crust on it. Anything that I want to crust over, whether it's chicken or pork chops or etc., I just get these, and they have plain as well. So you can either swap out your breadcrumbs for just a bag of Parmesan cheese. I just put 2 cups in. And, or you can use this. And if you want to swap out is your ketchup. So I still get the Heinz tomato ketchup because that's my favorite brand, but I get the no sugar added. They do have bigger bottles, but I just happen to get the small bottle because I don't eat a lot of ketchup. So I just wanted to give you that quick, easy tip on your meatloaf. So you can make your meatloaf homemade if you want, with all the ingredients individually with your own seasonings and that. But my meals, I like to try to keep it not only low carb, but quick and easy, and not only quick and easy, but budget friendly. So just wanted to give you that tip. And then it's getting ready to come out of the oven. And then my side dish is just some cheesy broccoli. So I have about 7 minutes on my meatloaf, so I want to show you how it looks by swapping the ingredients. So basically, you just have my broccoli already sauteing. I normally use a mozzarella or a mild cheddar cheese, but I had this left over from Taco Tuesday night, and it's a Mexican style quesadilla cheese, and it's good for melting. So I'm going to go ahead and use this up in my broccoli. So I really like my broccoli really cheesy. It just gives it some flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and let this melt, but I can't wait to show you the meatloaf. And I like mine really cheesy. Wow, this looks amazing. I'm really glad I chose to try the queso cheese. So my meatloaf is ready to come out of the oven. I'm going to slice it up and show you what it looks like. So my husband's having mashed potatoes and cheesy broccoli. I do not eat mashed potatoes because I'm keeping it low carb, so I just have mine. I'm getting ready to slice up the meatloaf. And here is my delicious homemade meatloaf, quick, easy, budget friendly. And this is the no sugar added ketchup with it. And as you can see, the Parmesan cheese is ooey and gooey in there. Here's my husband's. So my husband eats the mashed potatoes. I do not because I keep it low carb. So I'm just going to eat mine with broccoli and cheese. I hope this is a quick, easy recipe that you can use. I hope that, for my keto beginners, my low carb beginners, that this tip helps. Remember to swap out the breadcrumbs either for pork rinds or the keto breadcrumbs that you can find at your local Walmart or whatever store. If you do, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Ketolifestyle and Low Carb Cooking with Melissa. I'm Melissa. Click that bell for any more easy tips on quick, easy, budget-friendly dinners and just some hints and tips on some of these budget-friendly meals. Have a great night.